I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Quora. For that, first of all, open up your Quora app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see that you can sign up with your Google or Facebook, or you can sign up with email. For now, I'm going to sign up with email. Now you'll have to enter your name, your email address, and set a password. You'll have to now prove that you are not a robot. Tap on it and answer the given questions. When you're done, tap on sign up, which is on top right. Now you'll have to select at least 5 topics that you are interested in. When you're done, tap on next, which is at the bottom of your screen. Now select any languages you know other than English, and when you're done, tap on done, which is on top right. This way you can easily sign up on Quora. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.